Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you how to create an XJS project using Create Next Step. Before that, if you are not installed Visual Studio Code, install it and install Node also. Open Visual Studio Code and go to Terminal, New Terminal, and add a path using CD and then create a folder npx create next app and give a file name. Here I am going to use JavaScript, so I am giving node to. Like this, we want to install npx. Now I will describe how create next step initialize a new Next.js project with the default folder structure, configuration files, and depending dependencies. Embrace the convenience of using create next step for quickly scaffolding a Next.js project without manual setup or configuration. Exploring the project structure. Now I will drag this. See, this is how the folder structure will look like. In SRC we are having globals.css, layout.js and page.js. And if you first I will go to terminal. If we want to custom a folder structure, we can use mkdir make directory and we can create a folder. See, we are getting a folder. Inside that I am going to create index.js, which will be the main page in the browser. The pages directory for creating Next.js page where each file representing a route in the application. The public directory for storing static assets like images, fonts, and Vericon.io. In style directory for global style sheets or CSS modules used in the application. Utilities directory for utilized functions, API helpers, or other shared logic. Components directory for React components used across page. The running the development server, we can access default page. To run this, we want to use npx npm run dev. To click this link, we want to press Ctrl and click. I will write a code import const. Here I am using arrow functions and I am going to return. Inside that I am going to use div h1 welcome to next.js. And then this is the home page of our next.js application. If I save this, and then I want to export it. Export default home page. If I save this, if I run npm run dev, see we are getting welcome to next.js, and this is the home page for our next.js application. The index inside the pages folder, index.js is the home page of the browser. If anything we write in the index.js, which will show in browser's home page. Thank you. The next demonstrate how to start the next.js development server using npm run dev command. Show viewers how to access the default page index.js in the browser by navigating http localhost 3000. Encourage viewers to explore the default page and experiment with making changes to understand how Next.js handles live updates during development. Thank you.